let's face it, we all live on our phones. This is a large part of our lives now. I have mine sitting right beside me. We have used our phones to replace our computers. An email comes through and a person picks up their email and poof, off to the races they go. And they do it on their phone. All your contacts are on your phone. If you have multi-factor authentication, which most of us do, it is on your phone. You live on your phone. Your phone is your life. If I took your phone away from you, you would be lost. I'm probably taking your banking. I'm probably taking your workplace contacts, your personal contacts. I'm taking your credit cards. I'm taking all your passwords because generally everybody's passwords are set into their phone. I have your life in my hand in your phone. So what can I do to protect my phone? A lot of people go, I got my fingerprint on my phone. I say this proudly and with shame at the same time. I ran a course as recently as September about how to use phones. And somebody turned around and said to me, I use biometrics. You can't get into my phone. I took a piece of Scotch tape. I lifted their fingerprint off the phone because it's a touch phone, and I was into their phone in basically 2 minutes. The other person says, well, I use a picture of my face. I went and pulled a picture of their face off their Facebook profile. I scanned their phone and I walked. Biometrics is not going to slow me down. Believe it or not, the passphrase on your phone is not going to slow you down. I'm going to take everybody, grab your phone, lay it down, look at your fingerprint smudges on your phone. You're going to see there's probably a pattern where you use the phone the most. In my case, it's because I've been playing a lot of Yahtzee lately. So there's 2 lines up and down where I've used it the most. I regularly carry with me eyeglass cleaning cloth that I use to wipe my phone down. Wipe your phone down. That slows people down. Always keep track of where your phone is. When you're sitting down in a meeting or sitting down for supper or someplace in public, always, I say this and it makes sense, but it doesn't make sense. Get yourself a case that allows you to put your phone face down. It's not unusual for hackers to be in your general vicinity. A social attack, the hacker is generally within feet of you, if not inches. And they'll send you a text, or they'll try to break into your Microsoft Word and they'll say, hey, what's the authentication? And Microsoft will ask for the authentication, or somebody will send you a PIN. They only need a few seconds to catch that and see it. So if your phone is face down, they can't see it. That's a huge thing. If I can keep prying eyes off my phone, then my phone becomes safe.